Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video, like the title said, we're gonna do a very quick summary of this new update for PicoPiX Max. So this is a version 1.0.26 update. Along with that, I would like to thank you all of you for supporting my video since the very beginning that I started doing a review video. So just a couple of days ago, Philips has announced that all my videos combined were chosen for the second prize for this like video unboxing contest that the Philips were doing. So what will I get for this second prize is actually an extra PicoPiX Max. So it's like that I need another one. But anyway, I really appreciate all of you feeding me ideas to make videos. Without you guys, I would not have been able to make all these videos and therefore winning this second PicoPiX Max. So I would, thank you very much, really. Couldn't do it without you guys. So in addition to the 1.0.26 firmware Philips rolled out a couple of days ago, they also made an announcement on the community website saying that they have up to 6,000 units of material ready in the factory waiting to be assembled. Now, so the Chinese government just let the people go back to the factory, start working, but nothing is up to the full speed yet. So I hope hopefully all the production will resume up to normal, and all of you guys that have backed the product can receive it in no time. And I also wonder when would they ship my second PicoPiX Max to me. Honestly, I'm not on a priority list for them. So, but anytime that I receive an tracking number or anything like that, I'll keep you guys posted. All right. So without further talking, I will go to the summary. Now, if you like more of this PicoPiX Max update along the way before you get your unit, or you want to know more about it, please subscribe to my channel. If you also want to know additional topics such like men's health, medicines, and professor's life, okay, you can also subscribe to my channel. All right. So let's go to the video. So I've put up my PicoPiX Max and navigate to the setting. So I haven't changed my Wi-Fi setup lately, and since the 1.0.25 update, the Wi-Fi have been pretty decent. So I'm currently at 1.0.25, and the new update is about 784 megabytes. So my download speed is not the greatest, okay? For those of you that are living in a country with better speed, it would take no time. It took me probably about 20 minutes total to download this entire update package. Alright, fast forward to the installation screen. So we'll take this chance to highlight some of the marketed or mentioned update features in this 1.0.26. So the Philips apps, they renamed horizontal corrections to calibrations, right? And then don't run automatic calibrations when keystone is enabled. I don't really know what that means, honestly. I've also tried several of those, which you will see in the next minute or so. And also there's this SD card reformatting when doing factory reset. So I don't have a extra SD card on hand for me to test these functions, but those are pretty minor features. I don't think it's worth anything. Now, so come back to the screen. Now they did change the name to calibrations. The four corners, I don't know is functionally if there's any significant difference at all. All right, so you still need to manually change these four corners if your projector is positioned in a tilted angle, so to say. So I manually tilted my PicoPiX Max. Now, so as you see, the screen is not aligned, but nothing happens. So I really have to do manual adjustment. Another changes that they've highlighted really is saying that the trackpad is more responsive. So I have a cut screen. I have two cameras set it up there now. I'm showing you that I'm moving my finger, and hopefully you can see how the mouse cursor appearing on screen in corresponding to my finger movement. So it did seems to be a little bit more responsive compared to several previous versions. I did complain a little bit in my 1 month video saying that the trackpad wasn't very responsive, but on the other hand, I don't use the trackpad that much. In reality, I'm in a position, if I'm watching, my hand wouldn't be be able to reach the projector anyway, so I don't use it. I would like them to update something about the remote functions. The remotes are really the biggest frustrations at this point for me, like in my previous video set. So again, I'm showing you, it's pretty smooth, just like a mouse pad type of thing on your laptop, right? So I try to do some autofocus. Nothing wrong for me at this point. So another component that is improved is the better thermal stability on battery. So at this point, since I start up the machine downloading, about 33 minutes has passed. So my room is pretty cold. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's about 14 to 15 degrees Celsius on the surface of my bench there. So I'm pointing my laser gun there to see the temperature differences. Now I point a couple different places and I try to touch to feel the warmest part on the PicoPiX Max. Alright, so compared to the warmest part and the ambient temperature, it's about 10 degrees Celsius higher than that. So this sums up the video. Now I'm not sure if the thermal stability is really better or not. I did show you the temperature difference from the coldest spot to the hottest spot or warmest spot. Now the trackpad does seem to be more responsive after the update, but however, in practice, are you reaching your hand to your PicoPiX Max all the time? So I would like them to update the remote functions more than the trackpad, honestly. So that's all for this video. Now I will continue to update this series of video as soon as I see another new update rolling out from Philips. Again, if I receive my second PicoPiX Max, I'll definitely let all of you know. Now, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want more of these videos along with other topics that I produce, such as men's health, medications, and some of the hot health topics, as on as again also my professor's life, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.